In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Snowflake server name. This process is simple and straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can find this information with ease. Let's begin by accessing Snowsite, Snowflake's intuitive and visually engaging interface. Once you're logged into your account, navigate to the top navigation bar, where you'll see a range of options to choose from, each designed to give you detailed insights and controls over your Snowflake environment. Among these, you will want to select the option labeled Account. This section is the key to accessing all of your account details, providing you with the necessary information about your server. Clicking on Account will open up a new set of options. From here, you'll want to locate and select View Account Details. This might be shown as a link or a button, depending on the layout and the version of Snowsite you're using. Clicking this will direct you to a comprehensive page filled with detailed information about your account. Here, you'll find all sorts of useful data, ranging from your organization's configurations to specific user permissions. It's an invaluable resource for managing your Snowflake environment and ensuring everything is running smoothly. Now, focusing on the page in front of you, direct your attention to a section titled Account/Server URL. This is where Snowflake provides the specific information you're looking for, the exact hostname or account identifier. This is essentially your server's unique address within Snowflake. It's critical for connecting third-party applications, configuring integrations, and ensuring seamless connection to your data. If you're new to Snowflake or data management in general, you might wonder why this hostname or account identifier is important. Simply put, it's what other systems use to locate and communicate with your specific Snowflake instance. Whether you're setting up a new dashboard tool or querying data from an external platform, providing this server name ensures the necessary systems are talking to the right Snowflake environment. Remember to handle this information with care. Treat it just like any other sensitive piece of your account's configuration. Avoid sharing it publicly or in unsecured environments to maintain the security and integrity of your data operations. In summary, by navigating to the Account section in Snowsite and choosing View Account Details, you will find your account server URL, which is your Snowflake server's hostname or account identifier. This easy process ensures that you can quickly and efficiently access your server information whenever needed. And that's it. By following these clear and straightforward steps, you'll be able to identify and utilize your Snowflake server name with confidence. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating your Snowflake account settings.